Dude, these sea creatures are really sick. Rare sea creatures, part 4. 1 is the fang-toothed fish. Bro, this one got insane teeth. Looks like my worst dream. 2 is the gulper eel. Bro, this mouth can swallow anything. 3 is the lamprey dude. This one sticks and feeds. 4 is the colossal squid. Bro, this one is bigger than the giant squid. 5 is the siphonophore. Bro, this one can be bigger than a whale. 6 is the chimera. This is also named the ghost shark, bro. This is a nightmare. Dude, like and subscribe for more rare creatures, bro. Don't forget to subscribe.